वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल। सो सुबह का दिन है एंड इट्स 11:30 राइट नाउ। राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर सम इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क. Day after tomorrow it's my birthday and I'm going to book my cake. I know it sounds weird to book your own cake, but I'm doing all this on behalf of my husband. So let's go. And at 12 I have dance classes to take, so I have to rush back home fast. And the cake shop is nearby only, and I have to go to Derasar also. So let's go with me. I'm so excited. I'm doing all this in behalf of my husband because nowadays he is a little busy in his work. So I thought, okay, why not prepare my birthday preparation for this Sunday. I'm so excited. I'm doing this for the first time, and even Amit is so excited. Every day he asks me, what have you done? Cakes are done, decorations are done, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. This is the cake shop I'm talking about. This is pure veg, and we always buy cakes from here. Let's go inside. मैंने डे आफ्टर टुमारो के लिए केक बुक करना है. Yes. एंड उसके क्या लिखना है वो भी लिख लोगे अभी. REVATI. यस. हाँ. Done. My cake I have ordered. So cake done. Birthday decor is already done, and I have purchased some bits and bits of some birthday decor. And cake का order भी दे दिया है. So it will be delivered tomorrow. I'm so excited. And Diwali is also around the corner, so some Diwali ki tayari is also going. So right now I have to rush back home because I have to take dance classes. Okay, let's go home. કને પણ ઓકે. 5 o'clock. After my dance classes, I shot one video for the channel and edited it, uploaded it, and now it's time for rangoli, as it's today it's Dhanteras, so I have to do rangoli and then I have to do preparation for the puja. So let's go. My day is super busy today. Hey guys, I'm back. So my rangoli is already done. I'm gonna show you this. See. So the major task is over. So now I'll prepare for my Dhanteras puja. But before puja, I'll prepare my dinner preparations so that after puja we can quick prepare the dinner and have the dinner. So for today's menu is I'll make aloo and lachha parantha. Okay guys, so my dinner preparation and Dhanteras puja preparation is already done. So now I'm going to put diyas in front of the rangoli and then we'll start the puja. So the diyas are done, rangolis are done, dinner preparation is done. So now we'll do the puja. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Be safe, be with your family and stay positive. Be kind. Bye.